Okay, I'm at the entrance to a cave at Lava Beds National Monument. I don't remember if I did this cave already yesterday or not. My GPS is acting a little weird. But anyway, do a quick lap around the entrance here. There's another cave near here. I think they might be connected. I think it might be the same cave with more than one entrance. So I'll see what I can do. Battery on this camera is almost dead. So see if I can make this quick. It's steep, so I'm gonna go in feet first for safety reasons. Oh wow. Yeah, it looks like there's a serious cave here. Unfortunately, the cave here, they all start to look the same. So honestly, if I was through this one yesterday, I wouldn't remember. That's pathetic, but true. Anyway, unless there's something cool about it, like a bat. Huh. Well, it's a short cave, so I guess I'll go ahead and just go through it real quick. All right, so there's the way I came down. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wonder if I can get up here. Huh, hold on. This cave looks a little hard, but dang, I really want to go up there. That looks cool. Oops. Piece of junk. Only I could get my camera to behave. Oops. Darn it, I accidentally hit the ceiling. Oh, not again. Hang on. Stupid. Okay, there we are. Let's see if I can get up here a lot. Wow. This cave looks really cool. Unfortunately, it looks kind of hard too. Darn it. The important thing is I have to remember to go back out feet first. It's gonna be a bit tricky getting out of this cave, that's for sure. Wow. It'd be funny if there was an easier way. I just went the hard way for no reason. But anyway. Oops. Might help to point the camera ahead. There we go. The funny part is I don't think I can go much farther. Looks like it's gonna be too hard for me. We'll see. Oh, come on. There we go. See, there's the way out. It's not even that hard. I can see natural light. It's just that it's steep, so I want to go head first. I have to back out feet first. Give me a little bit of work. Wow. Yeah. It looks too small for me to go back there. I'm gonna go forward just a bit. There's an even smaller tube there. Okay, this is all a dead end. So, yeah, it's nothing back here. Such a bunch of cave. All right, I'm definitely gonna go out feet first. So, let's see if I can get out of here. Be funny if I was stuck. Yeah, that'd be an ugly way to, oh well. All right, here we go. It's actually trickier going backwards because I can't see, and because my shirt or backpack or stuff can bunch up, get caught up. Be careful. My camera battery's almost dead too. I'm hoping it'll survive. Oops. Hi. Oops. Oh boy. Wow. Okay, this is pretty much at the limit what I'm physically able to do here. Any tighter and I'd be stuck. Wow. Wow. Okay, that was way too much fun. Wow. Okay. So there's the way I came in. Here's the way out. After a cave like that, I'm relieved to see the exit.